Ready to unleash the power of Linux on your Chromebook? Let's get started. On your Chromebook's main screen, look at the bottom right and click on the time. Now, head over to Settings. Scroll a bit and expand the Advanced section. From there, click on Developers. See the Linux Development Environment option? Click Turn On. Follow the on-screen instructions. Setup might take 10 minutes or more depending on your Chromebook. You'll now see a terminal window. Congrats, you're done. You're running Debian 11. With this setup, you can run Linux commands and install tools with the apt package manager. That's it. In a few quick steps, you've unlocked the power of Linux on your Chromebook. Enjoyed the video? Remember to click the like button and subscribe for more insights and tips. Also, for more Chromebook resources and articles, be sure to check out starryhope.com.